Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Salesforce automated follow-up rules, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Salesforce automated follow-up rules, begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the setup menu by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the setup menu, look for the quick find box located on the left side of the screen. Type in Process Builder into the quick find box and select it from the search results. Click on the New button to create a new process. Give your process a name that reflects its function, such as Automated Follow-up. Select a Record Changes as the process trigger and click Save. Next, specify the object that will trigger your follow-up rules, such as Lead or Opportunity. Click Add Object and choose the appropriate object from the list. Select the criteria that will initiate the follow-up action. You can set conditions based on fields or values within the chosen object. After setting your criteria, click Add Action to define what happens when conditions are met. From the action options, select Email Alerts or Create a Task, depending on your follow-up strategy. Configure the details of the email alert or task, including recipients and message content. If using an email alert, make sure to specify the email template to be used. After configuring the action, click Save. Continue adding more actions if needed by repeating the process. Once all actions are set, click on the Activate button at the top right corner. You will receive a prompt confirming your choice to activate. Click Yes to proceed. Your automated follow-up rules are now live and will trigger based on the specified criteria. To verify that your rules are functioning, conduct a test by creating a record that meets the defined criteria. Monitor the records to ensure follow-up actions are correctly executed as planned. This completes the process to activate Salesforce automated follow-up rules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.